have heard the silence,
I have felt the pain,
I have smelled the spring,
I have tasted the wine,
I have sent a letter,
I have typed my heart,
I have painted the walls,
I have built a start. Repaired, tidied up, washed dishes, ironed,
dried, changed,
grown, bled, fallen, gotten up, arrived, departed. These are the deeds I have in my broken book. I have repaired the tear,
I have tidied up my head,
I have washed away the guilt, I have ironed what I believed,
I have dried my tears,
I have changed my path,
I have grown in May,
I have bled for what I had. Repaired, tidied up, washed dishes, ironed,
dried, changed,
grown, bled, fallen, gotten up, arrived, departed. These are the deeds I have in my broken book. I fell on Friday, I got up on Sunday, no.
I arrived in September,
I left in the snow.
I have landed on earth,
I have taken off into the air.
I have driven through the night,
I have parked inside.
I have stopped fighting,
I have turned my face.
I have crossed the bridge,
I have followed the light.
I have lost and won,
I have hidden my shame.
I have believed in tomorrow,
I have chosen without
I decided on Friday,
I have tried and failed.
I have succeeded in silence,
I have discovered the stories.
I have invented love,
I have moved with time.
I have lifted my heart,
I have pushed through the battle.
I have pulled at the truth,
I have touched your soul.
I have held on to hope,
I have let go of what fell.
I have proven who I am
I have suffered and healed.
on Friday in May.
And September risen.